and we had a major issue. We had a lot of water rushing in from my neighbors' yards when it rained. So we get water rushing underneath the fence, and it would flood this entire area. We had a huge concrete slab right here that would pool water, and honestly, it was disgusting. It was annoying, and it just was inhabitable, if you will. Every time it rained, the garage would flood, and we'd be out there with a broom and a mop sweeping it out. So that's when we got in line and we started searching for a solution. We found Ware Landscaping and called Mike. Mike came out here, walked us through the entire process and what needs to get done, what should get done. And we're so happy that we went with Mike and Ware Landscaping, because today we're standing in a dry yard. The dog can play out here. When it rains, I have a peace of mind. I actually get excited when it rains because I know there's not going to be an issue with the garage. I think we extended the life on that thing probably by another 40 years. Super proud of the work that Mike did over at Ware Landscaping. Couldn't highly recommend him enough. You guys got to check him out if you have issues in your backyard, water issues. Got to talk to Ware Landscaping.